In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a doorbell switch to our STS-408. First, enter programming by holding the star key for 3 to 5 seconds.
Enter the system password.
The default installer code is 9999. You can enter that or whatever you change it to.
Set clock and password. Press 1.
Then press
Set
6.
Enroll remote controller.
Then press 9.
1. Enroll wireless doorbell. Press 1.
Then press 1.
Press pound key.
Press pound.
Start to enroll devices. Trigger wireless doorbell.
Press the doorbell button.
Enrolled successful.
And now you can exit programming by pressing the star button. And then go ahead and test it by pressing the doorbell button. And that's how you program the doorbell switch to our STS-408.